Valve cleaning, a guide to understanding this essential maintenance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, valve cleaning. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about this technical term, this video will clarify its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in. Valve cleaning is a term often used in the context of automotive maintenance. It refers to the process of removing carbon deposits and other buildups from the engine's valves. These valves play a crucial role in the engine's functioning, controlling the flow of fuel and air into the engine and exhaust gases out of it. Over time, these valves can get dirty or clogged, which can affect the engine's performance. Cleaning the valves is vital for maintaining the health and efficiency of an engine. When valves are dirty, the engine might lose power, fuel efficiency can decrease, the vehicle might emit more pollutants. Regular valve cleaning ensures that the engine runs smoothly, maintains good fuel economy, and minimizes harmful emissions. Valve cleaning can be done in several ways, including 1. Chemical cleaning, using special chemicals to dissolve the deposits. 2. Manual cleaning, physically scraping off the deposits. 3. Ultrasonic cleaning, using ultrasonic waves to break down the deposits. The choice of method depends on the extent of the buildup and the type of engine. In everyday language, valve cleaning can be used metaphorically. For instance, when someone says they need a valve cleaning, it might mean they need to clear their mind or remove unnecessary thoughts. It's a playful way to use a technical term in a casual conversation. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, valve cleaning, and its significance in both a technical and a casual context. Remember, understanding such terms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also gives you insights into different fields. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.